if you're trying to launch any game from your PC and you get this error, say failed to initialize Steam. Now this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this problem. Make sure to follow the instructions very carefully, and the fix is very easy. You just need to close and open Steam and then follow the instructions here, which will guide you through. So first, close and open Steam. Now to close and open Steam, just come here on the system tray for your PC. If you see the Steam icon, right click on it and then select exit Steam. If you don't see it, then leave. So select exit Steam. Now this will close Steam. Now after closing Steam, just reopen it. So double click on your, right click on your Steam icon, and then you'll have to launch it as an administrator. Click yes to allow this app to make changes, and then this will just open your Steam. So wait for the Steam to launch. So I'll have to close this pop-up. Now here's my Steam has launched. Now you just need to follow the instructions which have been written here. Press the Windows plus R keyboard shortcut. Right in the line is this one. So all the information will be available on the description of this video so that you can copy it easily. Then you have to write this line, or you just copy and paste it and press OK. Now I'll have to show you. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard, and then you need to paste this here. So you'll have to copy it on the description of my video and then paste it just like so, and then click OK. Now this will directly lead to a pop-up where you open Steam and show you this application that is called the TOXIKK. So just need to choose the drive that you want to install it. Just select here install. Now this will start installing this program. Don't worry, just wait for a few seconds. It says start installing this application, which is TOXIKK, for a couple of seconds. Stop and remove, then start the game. So you'll have to come here. I'll have to pause this application to stop it, and then right click on it, and then select here manage, then I'll select here uninstall. So I'll select uninstall, and then you'll have to remove this application. Remove from account, click remove. Now this will completely remove this application, and after that you can try to start the game, and you'll find that the issue can be resolved and you'll no longer face the error which say failed to initialize Steam. So follow the instructions very carefully. Now this is the mechanism of this application that you do. This is a Steam protocol command trick, and it's basically being used to force Steam to refresh or repair some internal game or engine files, and you'll find that the issue can be resolved and you'll no longer face failed to initialize Steam. Let me know in the comment section if this helped you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.